Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can submit your volunteer application to Atara and how you can get this treasure chest in Heartopia. Once you've collected all the application forms, go to Atara and talk to him. Press the Ready to Go button. Have you already gotten enough volunteers to sign up? And then you're just going to submit the Expedition Volunteer application form. Submit that. Oh, looks like we've got enough, even more than expected. So it's not just us. Everyone wants to see that undersea wonder for themselves. All right, leave the rest to the guild and the archaeology team. Portals camp safety measures, we've got to cover every single detail. Are you nervous? To be honest, I'm a little nervous. Oh, and we have this ocean treasure chest. Super pretty. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!